In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link Discord to PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. First go to settings, then go to users and accounts, go to link services, then go to Discord. Now press X to link account. Now here are two ways to link with Discord: by scanning the QR code or going on this website discord.com activate, and you have to put that code here. So I'm going to scan the QR code, so let me show you how you can do it. After you have scanned the QR code, tap on open. Now the Discord app will open, and if you agree, this will allow the PlayStation Network to access your name and all of this. So if you agree, tap on authorize. Now you have linked your PlayStation to Discord, so tap on close. Now on our PlayStation screen we can see this, we have linked our Discord account. So you have to go on close and press X. Now you can see we have linked. Now go to a voice channel and join it by tapping on join voice. Now we have transferred it to a PlayStation, and here you can see it says connected to PS5. Now go back to your PlayStation. Now here you have to press the PlayStation button on your controller. Here you can see the general Discord voice chat. Press X on it. You can also use your controller to voice chat. Just press this button, and now you can use your controller as mic. If you can also connect here the aux and use it to voice chat. Now here you can see the Discord voice chat, and here you will see all of the other people that are on this Discord voice chat. So from here you can balance the audio, mute all, or you can change voice chat settings and etc., and you can leave. So this is how you can link and use Discord on PS5. Thanks for watching.